guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the Ipsy for July 2023 unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got in my Ipsy box plus my glam bag and my refreshments, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, how are you? I'm fine. I have not done my face because we're going to do my face together. And we're going to unbox this box. So, if you're new here, thank you for coming. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back to spend some time with me. So, let's get into these boxes because I need to cover this face. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is I did a TikTok unboxing, so we're going to use a couple things out of here. So if you don't know about Ipsy, let me explain that to you. Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription box where you can choose the glam bag, which is the small one. It is $13 and you get 4 deluxe size items in that. In the next box, which is the glam bag plus, and that is this box right here, you get 5 full-size makeup items for $28. And then the next size is the icon box, and that is every 3 months, and it's $55 a month, and you get up to 8 full-size items in that box. And then we have refreshments, and you can shop inside the app. If that is something you are interested in, we will put that link right down below in the description box. Now let's jump into this. The Great Escape. Pack your makeup bags because this month we've got a one-way ticket to dewy skin, glossy hair, and so much color. Whether you're planning a summer vacation or much needed mental escape. The Great Escape. Okay, so we're going to undo the glam bag first. Keys Golden Cleanser. And then we got the Floss Brighten Up highlighter. And I do love Floss. I have one of their highlighters I got a long time ago in BoxyCharm. This is the color. And then the next thing we got, Give Them La La Exfoliating Lip Scrub. And then we also got the INH Flame Fighter Heat Protectant, and I'm so glad to have that. And we got the Shades by Sean. Look at this ink gel pen for liner. So I'm excited about those. And then we got refreshments, and I'm so glad we got refreshments because I canceled my Dollar Shave Club subscription because they took away the good razors. So I'm not paying for that. So I got the razors, the 5-blade razor set, and I got shaving cream from the refreshments. So I'll be putting that to good use. And then in the glam bag plus, we got the Keys Protect Your Light moisturizer, which we're going to use that today. That's why I got my face done. So we're going to do the face together. We got the Earth and Harbor Biome Brightening Ampule. And I do have a blue one back in my bathroom. I can't remember what it is. This, a light blue, like an aqua, and this is blue. I can't wait to use that with skincare. And we got a Lucky Chick Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick. So it comes like that. And we have the stick. And it does have 2 colors. One right there on the end and one there. So we will use that. And we got the Sweet Street Candy Paint. And this is the color. And then for an eyeshadow palette, we did get a Natasha Denona palette, but the way it looks, I don't know if I want to use it. I think it's the Yucca Small. No, this is Fez palette. I've never heard of this one, but look at this eyeshadow. It's coming up out of the pan. It's not sure, it's dried up or something. So let's get into this. Actually, I'm gonna put on my moisturizer first. By Keys Soul Care. Stuff, none of her skincare that I have found that I have has a scent. It's all unscented. If y'all hear anything, Brian's getting ready to go to work. Then I'm gonna go in with my Junko primer. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in medium. I always use the fair, but I'm going to use the medium, and I'm going to get a little bit on my brush and just pat over my redness and my dark spots. And I'm going to go in with my Mary Kay foundation, and I'm going to mix 2 shades. I'm going to mix 150 and 210 neutral. Perfect shade. I got to get some more of this foundation, and then I'll just tap it in. Tap, tap, tap in. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. contour wand in light medium. And I will get some up here. And I was using the Anissa Crescent Moon brush. And that's the Candlelight Blush from e.l.f. Mary Kay blush brush. I did go in with the Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair for my eyes. And I guess we're going to play in this palette. Oh, we did get blush, I forgot. We'll go over it with this. Let's try this. I'm gonna go in with the pink. Well, I guess just the top of the stick. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna try this shade. So I'm gonna take this and start building it up out here on the outer part of my lid. I'm going to do that backwards C. I might grab another lighter brown out of the Orgy palette to blend that out. We're going to, and I'm going to go into Versatile to blend that out. And I'm going to grab my E28 from Rose and Ben and blend. All right, now I'm going to go into this color right here, which is, and that color just fell out, Mindful. And we're going to blend out the top. Okay, I'm liking that. This highlighter as the shimmer. I can do that. We're going to put that. That's the shimmer. I still feel like I need to deepen that. So I'm going to go back in. I'm going to grab a little bit out of my Orgy. I'm going to grab Orgy out of the Orgy palette to deepen that up. There we go. I'm going to grab the Rose and Ben E28 and blend. Just to give it a little bit more depth. I do like that yellow shade, and I like that brown shade too, because it's cream to powder. There, that deepened it up a little bit. Now I'm going to go over and catch up the other eye, and then we'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Now I did put this orange shade right here at the outer end of the lid. And I think I am going to take a little bit of this orange shimmer and put it on top of that orange shadow and just kind of blend those two together. I'm actually liking this. Oh, look. And I really love that brown shadow. There we go. Now we are going to take the Shades by Sean eyeliner pen and we're going to try her out. I hope it's good. So here it is. It looks ultra fine. Ooh. It is. Oh, this could be a replacement for my Stila. Oh, I like that. That went on very nice. Now let me do this on. I'll be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, this does not skip. That is, oh, that's wonderful. I like this. Run, don't walk. If you need a good liner that don't skip, that's ultra fine, Shades by Sean Black Onyx, the liquid pen. Love that. Okay, guys. For my lip, I went in with the Gerard Cosmetics Mudslide and lip pencil and the nude lipstick. I also went in with the Mitchell Acid Rain and Blank Canvas, and I made my own waterline color. And I used this color right here out of the palette. I do have some mascara on my under eye. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in with this Refer 02 and we're going to go back into this color right here, and we're going to go lightly. Then I'm going to turn it upside down and blend into the under eye. I love this cream to powder formula. That's why it looked all cruddy, because it was cream to powder. Now I might take a little bit of this color right here and blend underneath that. Let me switch this off on my Sigma switch. And I'm going to get just a little bit of that on the edge of my brush, and we're just going to lightly blend under that brown. I actually like this colors. These colors, they're pretty. F18, and we're going to spray some makeup mist on the edge, and then we're going to tap it off on the back of the hand. Then we're going to go into this floss highlighter. I love this color highlighter. It's so pretty, and we're going to intensify that on the inner corner. And I am going to take a little bit up here at the brow bone. I'm going to go in with this same highlighter. I'm going to spray with the Slay All Day setting spray in Dreamsicle. Then I'm going to go into the floss and use this highlighter. kind of tie everything in together. And to finish it off, we're going to use this gloss that we got sent today by Sweet Street. Ah, pretty combo. Oh my God. Oh, that smells like something's ice cream. It smells really good. And it's pretty too. Okay, guys. So that was my Ipsy unboxing. Get ready with me. Try on. We didn't try on a lot of the skincare, but we did try on some. Let me know what you thought of this eye look. This whole look together. Let me know what you thought of this palette. What did you get in your Ipsy Glam Bag Icon BoxyCharm box? And if you do not get Ipsy and you would like to try it, there is a link down in my description where you can sign up, choose any box that you would like, and take it for a test run. If you don't like it, you can cancel anytime you want. You can always come back if you change your mind. And the boxes have been really good. These were good boxes. I got half and half makeup versus skincare, but it wasn't overloaded. So I'm really liking that. So yeah, let me know what you thought of my boxes and what you thought of the look. And I guess that's going to be it. So guys, if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss an upload. And guys, we will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.